Hey, I'm Starling Johnson, Corporate Sales Manager for Johnson Concrete Company. We're here in Lexington, North Carolina at one of our manufacturing facilities, and we're showcasing a new product we've created called the ProBlock. Today we had 3 masons show up, and we had each of them lay a wall using normal weight 12-inch units, a wall using lightweight 12-inch units, and a wall using 12-inch ProBlocks. And the objective of the contest was to determine what productivity efficiencies were gained from using the ProBlock.
Masons, you ready? Get set!
ProBlock is a patent-pending concrete masonry unit developed and marketed by Johnson Concrete Company. It is the result of many years of collaboration among engineers, architects, and block masons. In October of 2010, Johnson Concrete hosted a seminar called Thinking Outside the Block, where we brought together key players in the industry and discussed ways to improve the basic design of a concrete masonry unit. Johnson Concrete took tips from that meeting and began developing what would become the ProBlock. During the meeting, the masons highlighted several key areas. Most importantly, the block had to be light, and not just a little light, but light enough to really make a difference. The masons needed to be able to pick up the block with one hand, even a 12-inch block, and be able to do so through the course of the day. It also needed to be well balanced so they could move off the pallet and into the wall swiftly. And finally, it needed to be able to work around rebar.
Demonstration like this today is really a lot of fun. It's very interesting, but it's very important too because it demonstrates the sort of innovation that we're going to need in our industry if we're to remain competitive in the future.
We laid 3 types of block today, the new Pro Series A block, the lightweight 12 block, and the normal weight 12. As of course, I laid more of the Pro Series block than I did any other block. Good laying block, balanced real well. I think the masons will be extremely happy with it when they get it out on the job.
From the architect's standpoint, it needed to meet energy codes, it needed to cut construction costs, it needed to cut construction schedules, and it needed to be cost competitive and offer design flexibility.
When ASTM C90 changed, allowing thinner web sections, Johnson Concrete saw this as an opportunity to create a block that could change the masonry industry. And we set out to create a block that was the lightest, most well-balanced, easy to lay, energy efficient block possible. We had to have a block that could be used in single grouted construction, a block that could be made efficiently on existing block machines, a block that would maintain its dimensional stability through production and that was strong enough to make it to the job site without additional cracks and chips. The ProBlock is everything we set out to make it, plus some. The 12-inch ProBlock weighs less than half that of a normal 12-inch block.
With the ease of laying this block, you're going to see not only an increase in production, but also, I think, less claims as far as workman's comp. A guy that blows out a shoulder or back could potentially hurt you for 3 years down the road, and that's a cost you just can't overcome. You could be paying as much as 10% more than your competitors because of that one workman's comp claim.
Energy performance of the 12-inch ProBlock when filled with R4.6 foam insulation is 264% higher than that same block if it was a regular normal weight configuration.
The ProBlock offers benefits to everyone from the owner to the architect to the engineer to the block producer and to the mason. It's a great solution for energy efficiency, productivity, safety, and profitability. And for those reasons, Johnson Concrete is committed to making the ProBlock the industry standard in high-performance masonry wall systems.